Owning a dog is one of the greatest pleasures we can experience. We share our lives with them and very often take road trips out to find new places to go dog walking and explore with our four-legged friends. But do you find the start and the end of your journey to be a pain with mischievous dogs refusing to get in the car or insisting you lift them up? Whether it's from old age or general rambunctiousness, some dogs just don't like jumping up into the car. To solve this problem, we've put together a helpful guide to the best dog ramps for cars, SUVs, trucks that you can get your hands on. Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog ramps for cars that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PetGear Freestanding Extra Wide Pet Ramp. The first dog ramp on our list is from PetGear. It features a standalone ramp with a wide width to provide a comfortable clearance for dogs to climb upon. It measures 55 inches long by 19.25 inches wide by 23 inches deep, suitable for dogs of most sizes. Made from a tough plastic material, the ramp has a dark chocolate color and weighs merely 19 pounds. Its design is foldable to allow easy storage, and has raised edges to keep dogs from slipping off the sides of the ramp. It also uses rubber grippers for a more stable placement when set up. Next, to better enhance the grip for dogs to walk up the ramp, PetGear uses SuperTrex treaded material for its ramp surface. This surface is not only soft and provides better grip for various dogs' paw types, but it also traps dirt and mud from dirty paws and is very easy to clean thereafter. With this list of features, it is not hard to deny that this ramp is a great product. We've listed the PetGear Pet Ramp first on our list because of how impressive we believe it feels and looks. This ramp has a solid and well-engineered construction to support dogs of all different sizes. It is perfect for use on road trips or even just as a way for your senior dogs or tired pooches to get up on your bed and snuggle up with you. Moving on at number 4, we have the Alpha Paw Car Ramp. Tired of bending and hurting your back to help your dog get into your SUV? Then this product is terrific for you. The Alpha Paw Car Ramp is a lightweight and foldable ramp spanning 60 inches long and 14 inches wide. With a mere weight of 9.9 pounds, it is easy to carry and very useful for traveling. The ramp has a skid-resistant surface that makes sure your dog would not accidentally slip, especially when it is raining outside. Additionally, the sides are both raised to ensure the safety of your dog. It is not only useful in vehicles but any raised surfaces, be it the veterinary table or a tall bed. The plastic material used is also sturdy and can easily be washed with soap and water. The foldable design of the Alpha Paw Car Ramp fits into any car, truck bed, or SUV, which means you can take the ramp anywhere and help your dog get in and out of the vehicle with ease. Senior dogs with weight problems and weak knees or small dogs who have difficulty jumping high can both benefit from this ramp. At number 3, we have the Pet Loader Light Platform. Here we've got another dog ramp which is actually a set of foldable stairs for your dog to use when getting in and out of your car. The Pet Loader Light Platform is a little different from the last entry in our list, though. With a unique design that distributes the weight over 2 points, namely the first step on the ground and the final step on the vehicle, this model is extra stable and secure for your dog, supporting up to 150 pounds. It even comes with 2 options, either a 3-step or a 4-step version, depending on what you'll be using it for. You can tell that the makers of this model had the dog's safety and comfort in mind as they've designed this specifically to match the gait of a dog and be as ergonomic as possible. At number 2, we have the PetSafe Happy Ride Telescoping Dog Ramp. If safety is your main concern when it comes to your dog, then you're going to love the Happy Ride Telescoping Dog Ramp from PetSafe. This model is perfect for elderly dogs who are having a hard time jumping up into the car. It comes fitted with safety rails on the edge of the dog ramp, so no doggy accidents occur. As a telescoping dog ramp, it comes with a certain degree of adjustability, so it's perfect for all different types of dogs. Even larger dogs will be comfortable on this dog ramp as it can support up to 300 pounds. With such attention to detail, the Happy Ride telescoping dog ramp is the ideal model for older dogs who need a little extra support and safety than other, sprightly pets. Your dog will love the comfort and stability of this model. And finally at number 1, we have the WeatherTech Dog Ramp. If portability is one of your main concerns when it comes to dog ramps, then you're going to adore the WeatherTech Pet Ramp. Measuring 67 inches long by 15 inches wide, this 16lb dog ramp model is built out of aluminum, a strong yet light material, and is foldable down to a comfortable size, measuring 33.5 inches long by 15 inches wide, for easy storage and portability. Simplicity can be a major deciding factor when it comes to a purchase like this, and this particular model has that in spades. It's only 2 sections, easy to use, and has no fiddly bits that'll leave you confused. This sturdy and versatile ramp from WeatherTech is useful in a variety of situations. Your dog should have no trouble climbing up it to get in your car, on your bed, or atop any other surfaces it needs to get to. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.